Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your center seat in a Honda Odyssey. And the first thing we're going to do is, if this seat belt is plugged in to your center seat, we're going to have to go ahead and undo that. And to do that, we're just going to take the seat belt and push this bottom part to the side, and it exposes that little gray button right there. We're going to take this part right here and just press that gray button in. And while we're pressing in on that, I'm pulling out on the other side, and it just unclips it. So we're going to let this retract up to the ceiling, and then I'm just going to flip down this back seat by pulling on that strap, and at the same time just pulling down on the back. Next, we're going to pull on the strap that's down here, and at the same time we are going to pick up on the back of the center seat and pull up on it. And then from here, we're going to pick up on it and kind of slide it back, and then just bring it over and lay it on this seat, and then you can go ahead and slide it out the door. It can be a little awkward and heavy for some, so maybe have someone help you if it feels a little heavy for you. But go ahead and just take it out of the door and set it down. And that's it, guys. Your seat is out. Now when you go to put it back in, you want to make sure the first thing you do is, you see these hooks here on the bottom. You want to make sure that you get these hooks in here first. So you're going to come in at an angle, get those hooked in, and then once those hooks are in, you go ahead and press on the back, and it just will clip right in, and then you're done. Your seat's back in. And that's it, guys. That's how you remove your seat. Thanks for watching.